next concept, that is applications of optical fibers. In that, first one is point to point communication in optical fibers. In that point to point communications in optical fibers, what happen when the optical fibers communication is the transmission of information by propagating optical signals, then optical fibers over the required distance, which involves the optical signals from electrical signals at the transmitting end, and conversion of electrical converging of optical signals back to electrical signals at the receiving end. In that, first one is, firstly we have analog information such as a voice of a telephone users. The voice give rise to electrical signals into analog form coming out the transmitting section of the telephone. And next is, the analog signals is converted to binary data, that is a digital, with the help of electronic system, that is called as the coder. This electrical pulse are converted into optical pulse by modulating the light of an optical source in the binary forms. This unit is called as optical transmitter. Here, in that optical transmitter converts the electrical signals into light signals. Then here, just the fiber is, then the optical is fed into the fibers. The out of the incident, when the core within the half angle of the acceptance, here the light source is fed into the fibers. Then what happened? The out of the incident light, when the core within half of the acceptance angle, then only certain modes will be propagate within these fibers. Means here the total internal reflection is present. While propagating, the signals undergoes the attenuation. Here attenuation means loss. Here, while propagating, here the signals undercomes the attenuation and delay distortion. Here delay distortion is the reduction quality of the signals with time. Delay distortion means reduction quality of the signals with time. This effect cause degradation of the signals. This effect is called as degradation of the signals as the light propagates and may reach a limiting stage beyond which may not be possible to receiver. The information of the light is signal. Then here in the receiver section, photo detector is present. In that photo detector, what happens in photo detector means it is a detect the light pulse, which converts the optical signals into corresponding electrical signals and which amplifies and its to original form by means of electrical generator, which is a part of the receiver section. The lastly here the lastly using the detector by binary electrical signals. Here binary electrical signals is converted back into the analog electrical signals, which becomes the information such as the voice, which was their last transmitting end. This is the last concept of optical fibers. Here step by step given. A fiber optics communication system is very much similar to the traditional communication system. There are three major parts. One is the transmitter. In that transmitter, another one is optical fiber, another one is the receiver. In the transmitter, what happen? Here electrical signals is converted to light signals, and in that optical fiber, what happen? Transmit the light signals, and receiver is the capture the signals to the another end and convert it to the electrical signals. In this process what happen, first here comes to the electrical signals, then it comes to light signals, is undergoes to light signals, and then light signals is passed to receiver. A receiver is captured the signals, and then that signals is comes under the once again its original signals, that is the electrical signals. Then the transmitter consists of the light source supported by necessary drive circuits. First voice is converted to electrical signals using the transducer, then the binary signals using coder, then the optical fiber transmitter. The optical transmitter is emits the modulating light which is transmitted throughout the optical fibers. The modulating light is detected by the photo detector and is amplified, and it is decoded using decoder. The output is fed suitable transducer and convert into audio or video forms. Here sensing device. Optical fibers can be used to sense parameter like pressure, voltage or current, etc. Data link. By using optical fibers in the data link can overcome the limitation like impedance, mismatching, crosstalk, etc. LAN. The optical fibers provide more efficient communication facilities in local area network. Then last is advantages of optical fibers. In that advantages of optical fibers, first one, it carries very amount of transmitter in the either digital or analog form due to large bandwidth. Here bandwidth means the difference between the two frequencies, that is known as the bandwidth. Large amount of the information is comes in the digital or analog form. Then it is large bandwidth, having its large bandwidth. Second one is since it is made by using dielectrics, it does not produce or receive any electromagnetic interference. These optical fibers are made of the dielectrics and it does not produce the electromagnetic interference. It is easily capable with electronic system, can operate in high temperature range. Fifth one is not affected by corrosion and moisture. Sixth one is does not affect by nuclear radiations, etc. These are the advantages of optical fibers.